The number one secret to helping kids become strong problem solvers? Let them make real decisions with real outcomes. You don't need a complex curriculum. You need a kitchen, a recipe, and a question worth answering. So I know this might sound too simple to count as math, but this week, popsicles became our word problems. Not the kind you find in a workbook. The kind that shows up when you have more mixed in molds, not enough of one fruit, and 3 flavors to divide fairly. Because this isn't about making a treat. It's about teaching kids how to think mathematically through purpose, precision, and play. We started by predicting how many popsicles we can make with the ingredients we had. She had to adjust the plan. Add more water here. Cut the fruit in half there and figure out how to divide it evenly between 6 molds and 2 people. Real problem solving, no made-up stories needed. We use addition and subtraction to combine ingredients, multiplication to figure out how much we needed for a double batch, and division to portion it across the molds. She wasn't memorizing facts. She was using them to make decisions. She measured out strawberries and water in cups, discussed how half of a cup looks in real life, and layered flavors using fraction logic. 1/3 strawberry, 1/3 berry, 1/3 pineapple. Suddenly, fractions had a purpose. She reflected on which flavor combinations froze best, whether her estimates were accurate, and how she might improve the recipe. We use words like difference, estimate, equal parts, and total, like they were a part of everyday language, because now they are. This is the power of anchoring learning in real-life experiences. You're not stepping away from academics. You're bringing them to life. She practiced 4 core skills: math operations, measurement, problem solving, and reasoning, all from one hands-on activity that felt more like creating than calculating. If this kind of math makes more sense to your child, if you want learning to feel like discovery instead of pressure, and if you're ready to build a homeschool that's rooted in real thinking instead of just task completion, I'd love to show you more. Tap the link in my bio or video description to explore how Beyond the 4-Wall framework help parents teach hard stuff simply. Follow for more real-life learning moments like this one. And don't forget, real life is the curriculum.